Anyway, before we were interrupted, but not rudely interrupted, we were going over this. And these are, a lot of these are Marie's pieces. This is a really good piece right here. That's your grease separator.
Oh, yeah. Pretty cool.
And this is a nice little, that's very nice.
Wow.
This is a nice Gordy piece. This is a DX Gordy piece. People love some DX Gordy. But you can look all around here. You've got Marie's stuff everywhere. And you've got a lot of other potters here at this house. There are works here that turned with Marie.
Okay.
It's a Bobby Ferguson piece.
Wow. Look at that.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Here's some more Marie's face jugs. This one is very heavy. This is the retired jug.
Yeah.
That's got some good weight to it. I like this. This is Good Man.
I'm glad you're getting that out.
I like it.
Oh, my
Good
close
Man.
up.
Wanted Good Man, about 90 years old, half blind, bad leg, good with a gun, to watch my wife while I'm out hunting. Inquire within. I think that pretty much says it all.
It does. It really does.
And over here, you got face jug here. You got all this pottery on the table. And this is a good piece right here. It is not Marie's, but it's Patrick's, and
That's a
very
pretty piece right there.
That's a good heavy piece. Oh, there we go. That's the right way. But more here, and you got pottery down here on the floor, and old bottles. And in here, more and more and more. Look at this one.
Wow. Getting a close up of that one. That one's cool.
That one is cool. And this is a Marie Rogers piece.
Yeah.
So is this one. And this devil jug is,
Oh, yeah.
ooh, scary.
Wow.
This is a Tim Flynn. And I just love this red pig. I think I said that last time.
Oh, yeah.
I'm kind of partial to the red pig for some reason. And over here, you got more Marie Rogers. And you've got little Elvis. And another Santa Claus. And this is the Jesus Loves Me.
Wow.
And this signed. See where she stamped it? And she also signed it.
That's Santa Claus. That's cool.
I know, that is cool.
Wow.
And here, we're still working in here. But you got more face jugs. More face jugs.
Ooh. Somebody's going to have a ball looking at this
they're
stuff.
gonna love it. And then down here, you got more churns. You got S.R. Rogers. Another S.R. Rogers. Up here, more face jugs. And look at this right here. This is a good piece.
Oh, that's cool.
It's actually a bag.
Yeah.
Marie made that.
Cool.
And we will walk in here. There's some up there. See? An old clock.
It's just everywhere.
It's everywhere, and it's nice chilly up here. But we'll have the heat going for us.
Oh, yeah.
And these are all her miniature face jugs.
Wow.
pigs. And the little, of course, my favorite's the little doggies. Look at those. And I thought this was very neat. You actually showed this to me the other day, Ray. I didn't see it.
Oh, isn't that the coolest thing?
Yeah, it's just a little flat piece.
Yeah.
But it's a little face.
That is cute. Really neat.
These are great pieces, too. Here's another one. And, as you can tell, we're still in the throes of getting all this ready. But you got dishes, you got the jazz the jazz people over
Yeah,
there.
let's get a picture of that. Close up. Oh, yeah. Look out.
Somebody will like those. Alrighty. Well, I guess we will close this one for now. And remember that we have the original shed out back where Marie turned her pottery, and that will be open, and that's full of tools, and we have underneath the carport is full, and a barn is full. So we're going to have a good time.
Okay.
So come see us. So long.